So here we will witness his reaction to waterfall. I'm just gonna call it that. Nice. Yellow.
Purple.
Oh my gosh.
That works. It gets better. There's no word.
Like I said, you're kind of sort of getting a boner right now. You know, it's starting a little bit, and then, you know.
I can't even text right now because it's so
Somebody
funny.
drank a lot of water today. She reminds me of some, I swear.
Fucking floor.
She better not slip.
What are you two? Damn.
I was helping him with something.
Nice.
I was gonna say something was gonna be really graphic, so it's a good thing I didn't say it. The graphic and personal.
That would be disgusting.
Okay, I'll forward it easy to go. I think this is the boring part.
This is just the
Why
funny.
do you do this?
Because the mouse. Isn't the mouse on?
No, what's really bad is that we're doing this in a library. A real library.
I know. Omar, how far do you think I should go?
Scroll a little bit to
yeah,
make
but
sure.
she's not-
I can't scroll
What's the
with
point?
this.
If you have a
No, oh,
should-
no, I'm saying you gotta turn on the mouse.
It is on.
Oh, okay. Like the key point, like right. It's like you gotta keep going, you know. Because that's how we found it the first time, and I said we.
Okay, you know, this is a good place, maybe.
Wait, did she do the sundress thing already? Okay, never mind then.
Okay, so you can see now. Then this is when your penis wakes back up. You're like, oh well, this is a normal porno. Okay, I can jack off to this. Yeah, I can go forward. This is how we bond.
He looks so concentrated. He looks so concentrated. Like, what is she doing?
I mean, that's how you. Oh, wait, found it.
My problem is she's not wearing panties.
I mean, sometimes I don't.
What the fuck?
I told you.
Hold on, hold the camera for a second though. That way I make sure.
Make sure what? Where's the lens at? Oh. I mean, it's innocent right now. It's just a girl's face.